It begins after the Trojan War, when one hero's true struggle starts. Odysseus, king of Ithaca, is not defined by strength, but by intelligence. Want to create this type of documentary using free AI tools? Let me show you step by step how to do it, from script to final video. The first step in creating any documentary is the script. For this, we use ChatGPT. You simply give it the topic or story, and it writes detailed scenes and narration for you. For example, we chose the story of the Odyssey. ChatGPT not only gives us dialogue, but also describes the scenes, the emotions, and the settings. You can refine it, adjust the tone, or make it shorter or longer, depending on your needs. Within minutes, you have a complete script ready to use. Once the script is ready, the next step is creating a voiceover. We use 11 Lab for this. It's an AI tool that generates professional, human-like narration. Just paste your script, select a voice that fits your story, and let it generate the audio. You can adjust the speed, tone, and pauses to make it sound natural. Now your story has a professional voice, ready to be added to your documentary. Next, we create images for each scene. For our Odyssey story, we chose Leonardo DiCaprio as the hero and Kate Winslet as his wife. We use AI image generators to create images for each scene based on the script. You can customize clothing, background, expressions, and angles. This makes each scene visually match your story perfectly. Remember, consistency in character appearance is important for a professional look. After generating all images, the next step is organizing everything. We use a tool like Grok to combine the images with the corresponding parts of the script. You place each image in the correct sequence and match it. This helps you visualize the documentary scene by scene, ensuring the flow of your story is smooth and coherent. Once all scenes are arranged, we move to editing. We use Filmora for this step. Here you can add transitions between scenes, background music, sound effects, and text overlays if needed. You can also fine-tune the timing so that the narration matches the visuals perfectly. This step is where your documentary really starts to look professional. Finally, review your documentary. Make sure the voiceover, images, and transitions are synced. Adjust the colors or lighting if necessary. Once everything looks perfect, export your video and it's ready to share with your audience. And that's it. From script to voice to images to a fully edited documentary, all using free AI tools. Now you can create your own professional documentary easily, even if you have no prior experience.